The edit and task operations are two different ways to modify a record. We are logged in as a developer. She needs to update the record to mark it as fixed when she is done working on it. Let's use the task operation. The user is prompted with instructions or other useful information, as well as options for changing the record. She can either update her progress on the issue, or she can mark it as fixed when her work is complete. After making a selection, she is presented with fields that need to be filled out in order to complete the operation. Instructions can be customized to guide the user. The fields can be configured to be read-only, optional, or required. You can also initialize fields. For example, the fixed date field has been automatically set with the current date and time. If a user tries to complete the operation without filling out a required field, they are prompted to enter a value into the field before they can proceed. After clicking OK to save the changes, the user is informed about where the record has been routed. The user did not need to choose where to send the record or to whom to assign it. That was handled automatically by the workflow configuration. Now let's use the edit operation to mark a record as fixed. A user can modify any field available on the edit page. You can also configure fields to be read-only. Instead of being prompted with specific options, the user needs to decide where to route the record by setting the status and assign to fields. You can configure which fields are available based on user group membership. However, users cannot be forced to update specific fields, as can be done in the task operation. If you want to ensure specific data is collected or particular workflow paths are followed, it is recommended that you have your users use the task operation to update records, and reserve the edit operation for special cases or for use by users who have an understanding of the entire process, such as managers or project managers.